The street behind me looks empty right now, but before the rain came down, it was full of RCB fans, and not just this street, but most of the streets around the Chinnaswamy Stadium, and the roads were blocked by the RCB fans. Soon after, RCB completed their second title win by beating Gujarat Titans comprehensively in a one-sided game at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Of course, a lot of fans were disappointed that they couldn't see their team defending their title, winning their second title at their home ground, because the final was supposed to be played in Bengaluru, the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, but due to some reasons it was moved out to Ahmedabad. But fans were happy to see their team lifting another trophy, back-to-back trophy in 2 consecutive years. And the only thing that changed from last year to this year was the celebration. Last year also RCB won, this year also RCB, but what has changed from last year to this year? What was the change? Was last year the fans were able to celebrate their team's win till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning. That was 2025, but this year, due to the restrictions put in by the government of Karnataka and police, they were not being allowed to celebrate. The cops were involved. They were trying to move out the fans out of the streets, out of the roads, even before the game ended. And that changed obviously because of the unfortunate incident, the tragic incident that happened last year. Recalling that, the decision was taken by the government, and that's why the cops were highly involved. But that didn't stop their fans from celebrating their team's win. They came out in big numbers in the streets, on the roads. They did everything to celebrate their team's win. Although the cops got involved, they tried to move out the fans from the streets, from the roads and the areas around the cafe and restaurants. But fans were resilient and they were high on emotions, as it was visible, and they tried to celebrate their team's win in a best way possible. Although the celebrations didn't last long, like the last year, because of the guidelines, and also the rain also played a part later at the end. But the RCB fans made sure that it was a grand celebration nonetheless. It didn't last as long as last year, but it was still grand. And as Rajat Patidar also said in post-match, that they dedicated the win to the Stampede victim. So we have got two RCB fans with us. One is the younger one, the other one is obviously a senior one. I'll ask the senior one, who waited 18 years for the first title and now to win back-to-back titles. How does it feel as an RCB fan?
It's like a special special for me. As a RCB fan, I'm so excited to get another IPL trophy.
And how do you see this season? The performances of Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Virat Kohli again, the King Kohli once again stepping up for RCB when it needed the most.
Excellent. Only one word, excellent.
And how will you describe Rajat Patidar's captaincy? Rajat Patidar has been brilliant as RCB captain. He has changed the fortune of the team ever since he has become the captain.
Yes, we need that captaincy in that great time. We had a great time to watch it.
RCB! RCB!